Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing great. Yes, I am again here with a new video tutorial that is around PHP, and today we will be discussing read line, that is built-in function in PHP, and it reads whatever you enter from your command line. Okay, so I have already set up running PHP through command line on my this system. Enable this feature on your system, I will give the link. You can enable that, then only you can enjoy feature this feature of this function. So let's come to the description of this function. So this read line, what it says, it reads line. That means whenever the input is string will be prompted to you, you can enter your string whatever you want, and it will be stored inside a variable. So in my case, please enter your first name, and I am using a readline function to assign this entry into first name. Then again on the next line, I am using the same function to assign your entry as a last name to your last name variable, and at the end I am going to print here. Okay, so let's see how it works. So if you have set up your command line running through command line, then only you can uh, take the advantage of this command line feature built in PHP function. So to execute this function, you will have to put here the PHP, then your file name. If you press enter, this program will be started executing. The first entry say enter your first name. Okay, so I am pressing my name, and my second name is this, and here I can see the output. You are this. So this is how you can use this. So most of the developer this is a nice PHP interview question, but if you ask this question from 5-6 year of experience developer, then you will not be expecting the correct answer from them. They can write a program around this. Okay, so this may be a good uh, question you can prepare for, and you can enjoy this. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.